Okay guys, this is a camera review of my first camera, actually. One of my first cameras. Right here. Hitachi DVD cam. This is where you would put your discs. That's the battery pack. Now, this was a pretty neat camera for its time. It was released all the way back in 2005. Yeah, very early camera. Now basically the camera, it's one of those cameras with a screen right there. And then there you go. This is another way you could record. You could record off there. Now you can also take photos with this one. But here's where the low LED would be. And yeah, basically you can even do SD card, but you cannot record with the SD card. You could only take photos with this SD card. So that's basically, and this is where the camera lens is. And that'll be all, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. See you next time.